Welcome to Launching Your Affiliate Marketing Journey series, where we help you take off in the field of travel affiliate marketing. In this video, we will dive into sales attribution and what it means when choosing a program to work with. Hello and welcome back. Today, let's talk about sales attribution. When you are browsing available brands on Travelpayouts, you will notice sales attribution listed in part of the overview. There are three options when we talk about sales attribution: desktop, mobile web, and application. Now, what does this actually mean? Our brands may have a desktop or mobile version of a website or an application. Sales attribution indicates where you will be paid for sales. For example, if a brand has desktop under sales attribution, that means only users using the desktop version of the website will count. Users who go to the mobile site or download their app will not. If you have mostly mobile traffic, for example, a brand that only attributes sales made on the desktop version of the website wouldn't be a good fit for you. If they aren't redirected to the mobile website automatically, they will choose it for themselves for easier navigation, and then any sales made won't count. Alternatively, if you know a brand has an app, but it doesn't count towards sales attribution, then it's probably not worth reviewing it on your website. If you're unsure if your website traffic is mobile or desktop, Google Analytics can help you in this area, and it's free. We will drop a link below this video for those of you who don't use it yet. Let's do a quick recap. Sales attribution can be desktop, mobile website, or app. It's important to keep this in mind when choosing a program to make sure it matches your audience. If you're unsure if your audience is mainly mobile or desktop, Google Analytics can help shed some light on the issue. This is the end of our course on partnering with Travelpayouts. We hope you found this information useful as you start your affiliate journey. If you still have any questions, you can always reach out to us at support@travelpayouts.com or on Facebook. Remember, we are your partner and we are here to support you. You are now equipped with the knowledge to choose the best brands for your audience. So go out there and start earning.